Good day, my students. Welcome to my subject ICT. Today is our second lesson, Introduction to Computer System, Architecture of Computer System. Let's start, my students. Today's our plan purpose in the second use of computer systems, architecture and the components of computer systems, data presentation in computer systems. It's our plans today. I really help you. It's understood for you. Let's start. We have today's 25 new words vocabulary I made in English and in Russian. In the second column, it's in Russian, which you have understood our lesson. I will read, and you must write. Okay. Okay, motherboard, speakers, hard disk drive, system unit, system pan, keyboard, floppy, heatsink, speed, amount of memory, random access memory. In the second lecture, we're going to talk about RAM, yes, RAM, RAM, capacity, cloud storage, sound card, network card, touchpad, earphones, matrix printer, laser printer, ray tube, and a crystal display. It's all our new words. Under the first slide, I illustrate of you the computer consists of hardware and the second software, you know? Yes, architecture and the components of computer systems. The computer consists of hardware, physical computer parts, palpable and visible. And the second, software, set of commands that are understandable to the computer, instructions to its palpable parts, giving orders what to do. In the up-down, I write comment in Russian. Yes, okay. First slide. Basic concepts of computer hardware. This model of the typical digital computers is often called the one-name computer. Yes, SPU, centric processing unit. In the delight two types, input and output. Yes, primary memory. SPU, input units, output units, primary memory. Programs and data are stored in the same memory, primary memory. The computer can only perform one instruction at a time. Yes. Okay, let's continue our lesson. SPU includes logic unit, ALU, and a control unit. All calculations and comparisons based on the instructions provided are carried out within the ALU. It performs functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also logical operations like greater than, less than, and equal to, etc. And the second part, control unit, controlling of all operations like input, processing, and output are performed by control unit. It takes care of step-by-step processing of all operations inside the computer. Computer divided in two parts, input and output. And the second part is control unit. I hope it's understandable for you. If you have some questions or you understood something, please write me. I will check it. Your answers, okay? Under the second lesson, personal computer and the peripherals, speaker, monitor, CD, system unit, printer, hard drive, microphone, keyboard, mouse. It's all devices our personal computer or PC. And the second lesson, computer hardware. Hardware, it's system fan, floppy, hard drive, RAM, modules, processor, motherboard. Motherboard, it translate in Russian language материнская плата, in Kazakh, аналог такша, you know? Yes. The system unit consists of the following components: motherboard, MBO, a computer backbone responsible for communication between components and of information. It may be memory support components, DBI, audio, video, PCI, and a chipset. It all devices motherboard. And to the next slide. Central Processing Unit CPU. It's the hard device in the computer. It's processor CPU. Functions: command, data transmission, computer function control. And the second basic characters: its speed and the amount of memory. Yes. And the next slide, the system unit consists of the following components. It's RAM, random access memory. Basic characteristic, its speed and the capacity. Maybe, you know, amount of memory. Оперативная память in Russian. In Kazakh, жедель жады. Yes. Permanent memory, hard disk drive. Edge double D device memory used for permanent data storage. Data is stored on magnetic parts. Electromagnetic cables are used reading and recording data with the exceptions of the newest disk types called STD. Its permanent memory basic characteristics: disk plates and capacity in gigabyte or megabyte. Yes. And the next device we shows you, we illustrate floppy disk type FDD can store data of 1.44 devices. Optical disks, CD, DVD, USB flash card, memory card, cloud storage. We participate of cloud storage about Mail.ru or Yandex, Google Drive, SkyDrive, etc. Yes. And to the next slide, you illustrate graphic processing unit (GPU). Function: processing and displaying image on the monitor. It consists of graphic process and its own working RAM memory. Basic: its type of graphics unit and the RAM size. Third type: its connection interface or display slot type. And the next slide, the network card. It's a local card, yes. Sound card, USB cable port, bases. Two different functions: taking in wireless network and taking in wired networks. And the next slide, common devices and the media for storing and data: hard disk, flash drive, zip disk, CD and DVD disks, memory card devices, external hard disk, network disk drive, online storage. Okay, I write in the comment in the at the little square. I write in Russian language for your understandable. Okay. Output device is that printer and the display, crystal display and the two types of monitor. Yes, two types of display. And the printer, we have three types of. It's matrix, inkjet, and the laser. Today is our term. It's easy. I think you know in art school, it's architecture computer. And the data presentation in computer system, the bit and the byte. 1 bit costs 0 or 1, and 1 byte costs 8 bytes. 8 bits. The bit is a basic unit of information in computing and digital communications. A bit can have only 1 or 2 values, and why 0 for bit physically implemented with a two-stage devices. These values are most commonly either 0 or 0 or 1. Okay, the bit is a unit of digital information that most commonly consists 8 bits. And the 24th slide are right units of information. It illustrated in 24th slide. Okay, and I have some questions. 6 questions. Who is the father of computer? Most common program. Term used said. Which program is very first computer? It's all 6 tasks for you, for your individual work, for your homework. I will hope you, it's architecture computer most understood for you. And if you have any questions, please write me. My electronic address kondozum@vk.ru. I will for questions or answer and your individual work. Bye bye.